Alright, so in this haircut we are going to do some layering. We're going to make it edgy, we're going to layer it up. So as you can see, the very first thing I'm doing right here is I'm going in and cutting the first section of layers. I didn't even cut the outline. I liked the length where it was. We're just going to go through and make it piecey, choppy, so I just went right into the layering. So I took a center section down the middle of the back, combed that hair straight back, and I started executing those layers. As you can see, I'm starting to lift the section so that the layers on top get shorter, which means they'll get more lighter. So we're trying to remove weight here, not necessarily creating volume, but more creating texture. Now that I've cut the layers on the left side, I'm going to do the exact same thing on the right side. As you can see, I'm taking sections, combing them back to the previous section, using the previous section that I already cut as the guide for the current section that I'm about to cut, and again, just going through and layering the haircut up nice and textured. Alright, so now that we've completed cutting the layers in the back, I want to take the layers on the side of the haircut even shorter. So as you can see, I've taken the hair, parted it straight down the middle, and now I'm combing the section straight to the right of my model's head and over directing it straight up. So this is going to cut the layers even more, making them a little bit more shorter so that we can get even more texture when we go to style and dress the hair. Now that I've completed cutting the layers on the right side, I'm going to do the exact same thing here on the left side. Alright, so we've come to the end of this haircut. As you can see, the hair has a lot of textured layers. That's the look I was going for. So I'm dressing the hair with some pomade just to give all the layers some independence from one another. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, please put them down in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Check out those textured layers, and thank you so much again for watching.